I changed my mind. The deal's off. I will not let you wage a war in my city. Who was that? That's the canary. Fighting for your city isn't selfish. It's what a hero would do.
They fear her.
They fear your sister.
She's not here anymore.
Is it a bird?
Is it a bird? It's a canary. It's a canary. You two remember Zoe?
Why don't you just put a bullet in my head and be done with it? Or maybe you don't have the sack to pull the trigger.
You still have a long way to go to prove that you're a hero. Take it from someone who knows how hard it can be. Don't screw it up. Remember me? I'm the justice you can't run from.
I'm about to take over.
Don't grab a minute unless you have permission, badass. Get badass together.
Birds of justice.
Something like that.